So, you see the headline. There's a new Android update available. You go to your settings, hit check for update, and nothing. Your phone says you're up to date. Meanwhile, your friend just updated to the newest version with no issues. Why are Android phones getting their updates at different times, and sometimes you have to wait months to get the latest update? First, let's look at Apple and the iPhone, which has kind of set the standard for the market. They own the whole stack, meaning they design the chip, the hardware, and the software. When Apple finishes an iOS update, they push a button and it hits every compatible device on Earth at the exact same second. There's no middleman to complicate and slow down things. Everything happens when Apple says the update is ready. Android is the opposite. Google makes the pure version of Android, but they don't give it to you. They give it to the manufacturers. Think of it like a base pizza crust. Samsung, OnePlus, and Xiaomi then take that crust and add their own sauce, toppings, and extra cheese. That skin, like One UI or OxygenOS, takes months to rebuild and test every time Google changes the base. If they just pushed Google's code, your specialized features, like your S Pen or fold screen tech, would instantly break. But even when Samsung finishes the software, they still can't send it to you. Why is that? Because of the carriers. Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile insist on testing every update to make sure it doesn't blow up their specific 5G bands. They also want to make sure their pre-installed bloatware apps still work. This is why an unlocked phone often gets an update weeks before a carrier-locked version of the exact same phone. And lastly, let's talk about the planned obsolescence elephant in the room. Optimizing a new OS for a 3-year-old budget phone costs money and engineering hours. Manufacturers would much rather spend those hours making sure their new $1,200 flagship is perfect. Staggering updates isn't just about safety, it's about priority. If you're at the bottom of the price tier, you're at the bottom of the support list. Just like my Galaxy A16 here, God knows when this is getting the latest One UI update. So, if you want the Apple experience on Android, you buy a Pixel, where Google owns the stack. Otherwise, get comfortable with the check for update button. You're going to be hitting it for a while. Hope that helps. Click the like button if you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video.